Hello, I'm Ted Jones with MarineMax and Stuart. We're here aboard this brand new 215 Scout. What a beautiful boat. In the bow, it's got these great cushions and seat backs, big comfortable sun lounger. And those cushions are removable for those days you're fishing and not hanging out at the sandbar. Inside the console, lots of room, easy access to your battery switch. This boat has a very nice feature with a folding rear seat that does get up out of your way. It's powered with a 150 Yamaha 4-stroke. Now I'll tell you, for 21 foot, it feels like everybody else is 23 foot. Leaning post is equipped very nicely with a cooler, rod holders on the back of it. The helm of this boat is laid out fantastic. Very easy to access your switches, great sounding Fusion stereo. Very comfortable to sit here in this boat too. The Helm Seat, which is part of the leaning post, is configured nicely. It has the cushions that flip up and down. So I have one in the down position, one in the up position. And you can move those either way so that you can stand and lean against it or sit and be comfortable while you're out boating. I'll tell you, you got to get out and ride on this. Cruising around with the family, going fishing, hanging out, having a good time. This is an awesome boat. For more information, please call me, Ted Jones, MarineMax Stuart, 772-263-6743.